Hello YouTube. Hello YouTube. Today's video is well, I'm making 5 videos today, so because I messed up. So this is how to use Lucky Patcher to hack apps so you get free stuff. So first you need to download Lucky Patcher first. Got the itch in my ears. Anyway, so you need to go to luckypatchers.com. I'll put a link in the description. There'll be some advertisements. Don't click on them. And click on Lucky Patcher free download. And if it doesn't say Mediafire, it's not the right link. Click on latest. Oh, come on. There you go. And it'll be a .apk file. So you want to download it, and you want to click download. So now you can exit out of this, and make sure you do exit out of this, because I do not. Just say back to google.com, because and then now you can exit out. Next thing you do is go into your File Explorer, Media Manager. If you don't have one installed, just install one. Just search up File Explorer and get a File Manager.
Oh, here we go. Allow. And spell allow. Just press agree. And there we go. Following it. And press OK again. Yes, these are just the instructions to disable Play Protect. Just take the show again and press yes. So it'll take a second. Oh wait, that means disable Play Protect, then we're done that. It only works on Android devices. I'll put that in the beginning. If press update, it'll be much faster on a real Android device, especially the newer ones. Just updating the latest stuff on the server. Hasn't been updated on our webpage yet, so it's just So I'll show you the 3 best patches. I ask you that they're the best patches to put if you just want like in-app purchases. So I won't explain how it really works, but I'm just going to show you the best patches to do so. Here we go. Now I can scroll and we'll find your app. We'll find the app that you want to hack. Then you want to click menu patches. In a second! In a second! So you need to press create modified APK file. And then okay, so press APK multi-patch. And so you need to press. Remember that doesn't matter. So you want to click remove license verification and support for in-app and LVL emulation, and click rebuild the app. So then another message box will come up asking you what. Just go through and press next step. Oh yeah, on this one, if it doesn't work, do the extreme mode if it doesn't work, but it might not. It might break some things in the game. It doesn't matter. Just click the next step again. Let me tell you how it works. And yeah, and so you need to wait. So I'll be sitting here, and I'll cut back to when it's finished.
And there we go. Just click go to file now. So you want to click go to file, and then it will go and click on uninstall and install. Now this will get rid of all your data, but it will be hacked and you'll be able to go up to your levels really easily. So just click uninstall and install. It will erase all your data. But I haven't even opened the app, so it'll be fine for me. Do you really want to delete it? Yes.
Hey, I'm Buddy. Nice to meet you.
See, we've got 0 gold, and we've got 0 gold and 0 cash. We'll go down.
Got anything I could read for a few minutes?
And let's add, we can say we want to add blood. It will come up here, and you want to click check these two boxes. This happens every time you make a new purchase.
Hey, I'm Buddy. Nice to meet you.
And also get.
Baby needs a new pair of shoes.
Gold. Maybe we want to get safe with gold. Well, we can do that. And see. And now we can get a safe of bucks. And do the same thing.
It's a never-ending story! Whoopee!
And that is how to use Lucky Patcher. Bye! Please just subscribe. It could be a click, it could be a click, or a tap. It could be any one of those things. Just hit that subscribe button. It isn't difficult. You can just subscribe and leave the channel forever. Or you can keep watching my videos, 3 videos every day until like I'm going back to school. Stuck in quarantine because we went on vacation. And yeah. So bye.